Shillong was plunged into shock and grief on Thursday following the sudden demise of Shillong Member of Parliament Dr. Ricky A.J. Syngkon, who passed away at the age of 54 after suffering a cardiac arrest while playing football with his friends at Maulai Mauyong. According to reports, the senior leader of the Voice of the People Party was participating in a friendly match when he suddenly collapsed on the field, leaving fellow players and spectators stunned. He was immediately rushed to the Mauyong Community Health Center. However, as no doctor was available at the facility at the time, he was referred without delay to the Dr. H. Gordon Roberts Hospital, Jayao, for advanced medical attention. Despite efforts to save him, doctors declared him dead on arrival. News of his untimely demise spread rapidly across the state, triggering an outpouring of sorrow from all sections of society. Leaders cutting across party lines rushed to pay their respects and expressed deep shock at the sudden loss. Chief Minister of Meghalaya Conrad K. Sangma, Deputy Chief Ministers Preston Tensong and Snyao Bhalangdhar, Chief Secretary Shakil P. Ahmed, Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills Rosette M. Kurba, VPP President Arden Basayomoy, KJDC Chairman Strong Pela Kharjana, VPP MLA from Maulai Bright Star Well Marbanyang and VPP spokesperson Batskem Marbo, along with party members, workers, supporters and members of the public, conveyed their condolences and described the MP's death as an irreparable loss to the state. Colleagues remember him as a committed public servant and a grounded leader who remained closely connected to the people. His sudden passing while engaging in a sport he loved added to the poignancy of the tragedy. Later in the evening, his mortal remains were taken to his parents' residence at Pokse, Shillong, where grieving family members, well-wishers and supporters gathered to pay their last respects amid an atmosphere of profound sorrow.
Katahi ba ni siyo ay kabajiya nga klam kan maban pen ay hay yung tam kajiya ay ta new